Starting with the bathroom, we need to move this hand dryer over to right here on the wall. We need to turn this 90 degrees and put it right here. This is the baby changing station. The size of the bathroom is correct. The mechanical room is 10 feet this way by 8 feet this way. We need to move this HVAC over into this corner and move the water storage tank over here as well. This drain trough that you see, the blue drain trough, that actually extends under the wall in about 2 feet there, so we can clean out the drain right there. So that needs to change. This all looks good, except there's not this many lights back here. I assume those are lights. There's about 5 of them on that back wall. So just so they don't hit us with that, if we can reduce the number of lights to 5. And then each of the dryers has an electrical and gas connection right between them. So on the wall, there's a box here, etc. that has 2 connectors and will come off with a pigtail to each. And then same with the gas. The gas is on the wall and it will go to each of them. It'll go to this pair and on down. It's a 2-inch gas line. The gas line comes from outside the building. This is an exterior wall. It comes under the water heaters. It hits all of the water heaters. It goes up into the attic, over, and then drops down behind the dryers here. As far as HVAC ducting, I assume that's what this is. Those, I don't know if those placements need to be exact or not. Let me know if they do. There's a drain that I drew on the other drawing, but there's a floor drain. That's a 4-inch floor drain that goes right here in front of the washers. That needs to be on there. This looks good here with the doors, except this door, we need to move this door down to here and make it an outswing. So this is an outswing door, and then this just close that wall. This right here needs to swing inward. So it hinges here and swings inward, not outward like that. So once again, this door needs to be moved down here, hinge from here, and it's an outswing door. So it closes like this. This one right here, we need to change it to where the door is like this and then closes, if that makes sense, like that. And once again, this is an exterior wall. As far as the sub panel, this is out in the middle of the floor, so I don't know where that came from, but we need to delete that. So this is talking about the drain, which is existing. I don't know if we need this in here about the beams or not. If we don't need it, I don't want to draw attention to it. We're going to have to change from a T-bar grid to just a standard drywalled ceiling because of some electrical stuff. So we'll just do a sheetrock ceiling. This needs to be changed to, instead of rankless, this needs to be tankless boilers and 199K BTU, British thermal units. And then the water storage tank, which will be here with the pump. So we need to fix this grammatical error, fix that location there as well. I think those are the main things. I don't know why this extends here. It doesn't, but this is a brick wall, the back of the building. This is a brick wall. And on the other side here, this is a brick wall. And there's a building here and a building here. So those are brick firewalls, and then the front of the building is brick also with some glass windows up here. So hopefully that's everything you need. Let me know, and hopefully we can get this done by Sunday because it's costing me quite a bit to extend. Thanks, Mark.